The FSR extension identifies a FlexiSIGN registration file containing license registration data for the FlexiSIGN sign-making software suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these software registration files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like FSR. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. FSR files are license registration files for FlexiSIGN by SAi, a professional sign-making and print software suite. They contain software activation data, serial number validation, and feature entitlement information for the FlexiSIGN application. FlexiSIGN FSR files use an encrypted format, storing license serial numbers, product identifiers, feature flags, and activation validation data. They are processed by the FlexiSIGN licensing system during application startup to verify authorized use. The FSR file is widely endorsed for use with SAi FlexiSIGN developed by SA International, SAi. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows lets you open the file, but editing is risky unless you understand the configuration schema. Initiate the process by right-clicking the FSR file and choosing Open With. Use SAi FlexiSIGN as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If the FSR file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because the FSR format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, activating software. During FlexiSIGN installation, the application processes the FSR registration file to validate your license. If prompted, browse to the FSR file location. The software reads the registration data and activates the corresponding product features and capabilities. Next, troubleshooting activation. If FlexiSIGN fails to recognize the FSR file, verify the file matches your installed software version. Check that the file is not corrupted by comparing file size against expected values. Contact SAi support for replacement registration files if needed. Finally, managing licenses. Keep backup copies of FSR registration files for software reinstallation. Store alongside installation media and serial numbers. When upgrading FlexiSIGN versions, obtain updated FSR files from SAi to match the new software version's licensing requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.